What if humanity's biggest problems are simply too big for the human brain? Think about it: climate change, food shortages, pandemics. These aren't just issues, they are planet-sized puzzles with billions of moving parts, far beyond what any single person or even a committee of experts can fully grasp. We're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube the size of a mountain using just our bare hands. Our minds are brilliant, but they're also limited. We're prone to bias, distracted by politics, and slowed down by the need for consensus. While we debate, the problems grow, but what if we had a tool that could see the entire puzzle at once? A mind that doesn't get tired, doesn't play favorites, and can process trillions of data points in the time it takes us to blink. This is the promise of artificial intelligence. Imagine an AI designed to tackle climate change. It could analyze real-time satellite imagery, ocean currents, and atmospheric data from every corner of the globe. It could run millions of simulations to find the most effective combination of carbon capture technologies, renewable energy rollouts, and policy changes not just for one country, but optimized for the entire planet. It wouldn't care about election cycles or corporate lobbying. Its only goal would be stabilizing the climate. Let's take food security. A global AI could monitor soil health, weather patterns, and supply chains, predicting famines before they start and rerouting food shipments with incredible efficiency. It could design hyper-efficient vertical farms or recommend crop rotations that maximize yield while regenerating the land, all tailored to local conditions. Humans try to do this, but we operate with incomplete data and are often a step behind. An AI could be 10 steps ahead, turning crisis management into proactive coordination. It could untangle the logistical knots that lead to waste, ensuring that food gets from where it's grown to where it's needed every single time. This isn't science fiction. AI is already optimizing energy grids to prevent blackouts and reduce waste. It's helping scientists discover new materials for batteries and solar panels at a speed previously unimaginable. In medicine, it's accelerating drug discovery and personalizing treatments. The core advantage is scale. AI can handle a complexity that paralyzes us. It can see patterns in the noise, connections across seemingly unrelated domains, and find solutions that are simply invisible to the human eye. It can process the intricate dance of global economics, ecology, and human behavior all at once. But here's the critical question we have to ask. As we hand over the reins to these powerful systems, what new risks are we creating? An AI designed to optimize the global food supply might recommend shutting down millions of traditional farms. While logical on a spreadsheet, the human cost would be immense. An AI tasked with stopping climate change might conclude that drastically reducing industrial output in developing nations is the fastest solution, ignoring the ethical implications for billions of people. The logic of the machine might not be our logic. Who gets to program the AI's primary objectives? Is it a government, a corporation, or a global consortium? The values embedded in its core programming could shape the future of our civilization. An error in its code or a bias in its training data wouldn't just be a glitch, it could become a global catastrophe. We're talking about creating a system with unprecedented power over our lives, our economies, and our planet. Delegating our biggest decisions to a black box we don't fully understand is a monumental gamble. So we stand at a crossroads. Is AI just a supercharged calculator, a powerful tool to help us make better decisions? Or is it becoming something more, a global coordinator, a logistics engine for humanity, orchestrating our efforts on a planetary scale? Or could it evolve into a new form of authority, an impartial, data-driven governor whose recommendations are too logical and effective to ignore? The answer isn't clear, but one thing is certain: our relationship with intelligence itself is being fundamentally redefined. The biggest problem we now face might not be climate change or pandemics, but learning how to wisely manage the very tool we created to solve them. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into our complex future. Thanks for watching.